Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Spotify to your Android TV using the Aurora application or the Aurora Store. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you don't have Google Play Store, you can use the Aurora Store to install applications to your Android TV. And I will show you how to install Spotify using that method. It is very simple. Make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, go over to the Aurora Store. Now, the question is, what if you don't have Aurora Store on your Android TV? If you don't have Aurora Store, in the description of this video, there is a link that is going to guide you on installing the application to your Android TV. So you can need to start by installing it to your Android TV. So once you install Aurora Store to your Android TV, just go ahead and launch. And once you go over to the installation page or the app page like this, what you have to do to search for Spotify is to come down to the category of entertainment. So just browse down a little bit until you come to the category that says entertainment. So just come, oh sorry, to music and audio. So as you go over to the option, here are the applications that are found here, and this is Spotify. So what you have to do is to go over to the option of Spotify over here and click on it once. So click on Spotify, and then it's going to bring you to the installation page of Spotify over here. Now what do you do to install Spotify? It's very simple. Just come down to the option that says install. This is the button below here, and click on install, and the application is going to start downloading and installing to your Android TV using the Aurora Store. It is as simple as this. The application is going to install, and then you can go ahead and launch. Now Spotify is built to work on Android TV devices or large screen, so don't worry, after installing the application, it is going to adapt to your Android TV. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.